this unlock the blender? I got a blender recently. Do you guys have a blender? I was thinking about making healthy shakes with almonds and pineapple and coconut ice cream. That's healthy, right? That sounds good. You guys all have blenders? Whoa. What do you use it for? Oh, look. Oh, so many people have blenders? Protein shakes, huh? You can make soup in a blender apparently, but it's like those really expensive blenders. I think I've only used a blender like 2 times maybe. Yeah, blender soup. Make broccoli cheddar. That's my favorite soup. Broccoli cheddar soup. That's the best. You can make margarita. I never had a fridge that made ice, but my fridge makes ice. And so I can use the ice to make shakes. Cupcake shake! Cereal shake! Ame shake. No, mushroom, no. It's a shadow, Mario, after him. Yeah, banana. I love banana chocolate shake. That's so good. But we're gonna throw them in the blender.